Ashes and diamonds, ATM machines. Write myself all of my favorite things.
First, we're gonna start off by using glue just to put down those eyebrows, because you know, serial killers, ghosts, demons, and the like all prefer not to have eyebrows because it's just scarier according to them. But you know, do you, baby girl or guy, whatever your preference is. Next up, you're gonna use your Kryolan TV paint stick and just color your face like you're a 4-year-old. That's the stuff. Do you? Do you? Next, you're going to use some Kryolan spirit gum. It is not gum. Do not try and eat it. It's used to stick stuff together. Then you're going to use your soft putty. That, it feels kind of nice in the hand. Look at it, just holding it. You're going to roll it around in your hands. Then you're going to shape it to get that Valak nose, witch's nose shape kind of thing. Then you're just going to put the blend in the sides, I guess, until it's easier to cover the lines. This is going to take a while, so I'm just going to sing a song while she does it. No, fuck it. Why is she taking so long? We don't need to see everything. Do it. Finish. Finish. Okay, I'm just gonna sit here in silence because you know, I didn't edit the video. Now what am I supposed to say? Rub the bridge of your nose, just rub it until it's smooth. You know, rub the sides until that's smooth too. Smooth it out some more. Just keep smoothing it. Smooth it. Smooth it. Smooth it some more. Use those natural tools that the Lord gave you. Fingernails. Just keep smoothing it. Smooth it some more. Keep rubbing that nose. I don't know. I think I'm going to tell her to cut some of this out because look at that. Smooth, 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 smooth. Smooth, 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 smooth. I mean, you guys aren't here to literally hear me make sounds this whole video. So we're just gonna wait. I'll find something to do. Hey, is makeup. I'm going to draw my... Oh, never mind. We're gonna use some Kryolan sealer. Not sure what that does. Apparently it seals the nose, makes it hard. Get punched, doesn't break. What is she doing? Who is she speaking to? This is just creepy. No one wants to see you do these kinds of things with my voice just playing there in the background. Aqua color. Not sure what that does either, but you know, tap it down, baby girl. Tap it down. Tap it some more. Cover everything up. Make sure there's no spots. Yeah, that's it. Cover it up. Get some on the nose too. You want to have everything the same color. Still taking too long. I can't do it. And I'm back. Was told to get back to work like I'm getting paid for this, but okay. Next up, you're gonna add some eyeshadow. Make sure that you check a reference picture so that you know exactly what you're supposed to do. You know, you gotta blend it in nicely right underneath that non-existent eyebrow. You gotta make sure it looks extra scary, because you know, nothing says scary like I just smeared some eyeshadow all over my eye. You know, kind of looks like I could probably do that with my finger. No, I couldn't. I've tried doing Chad's makeup before. It did not work out well. You're going to bring it down next to that nose with the big bridge. Put it underneath there. Give yourself some bags. You know, some granny bag. Make you look old and, you know, evil. Like, have you guys watched The Conjuring? I don't know what the hell I'm supposed to say after this, you know? So, I'm just gonna tell you guys the important bits And when there's nothing important, I'm just going to tell you guys a story. Maybe ask you some questions. You guys can answer in the comment section. We need the engagement, people. We need the engagement. First, now you're going to draw some nostrils, apparently. Damn, Valak got big nostrils. No one looks at Valak's nostrils because of all the teeth. But you know, damn. She probably knows what sugar smells like. But anyway, I digress. Let's continue. You're gonna take your nose, draw an outline of it. You're just gonna color it in. I don't know. I have also the first time seeing this video, so we're just winging it. We're just going in with it, you know. Blend in that. Is it still eyeshadow? What are we using now? I was not given a script, nothing. There's no. What is this? There's no writing on it. So I'm just going to put some eyeshadow on your nose, make a heart shape as nostrils, and then just keep coloring in the eyeshadow with the brush. Do the tip of the nose, looking like a, you know, satanic Rudolph. Yeah. Ooh, the putty's itching. Do the things. No, blend it out nicely. Give it that deepness, that depth effect of the nose, so that it looks like it's, you know, sharper than what it actually is. It's like this is the reverse Michael Jackson. If like Michael Jackson decided, you know what, instead of just losing pieces of my nose, just put some more on. Put some more on. This is what the outcome would have been. I miss Michael Jackson. I digress. Keep, you know, working on your nose. Put a little bit of white in there, you know, for extra depth, extra texture, making it look extra. I see the word extra a lot. People, I don't know what the hell I'm talking about here. I'm just, you know, doing a voiceover. And we are done. Turns around slowly. Like a freaking super villain. And boom! Haha! That was funny. I know what happened, so it didn't scare me, but hopefully it scared you. If you guys want to see how the teeth are done, check out the other video on how to make teeth right here on the channel. That's exactly how she smiles at me when she wants it. That's exactly what she does to me to get me in the mood. And I get it rough. Sexy beast. No, Valak doesn't dance. Valak doesn't dance! Disgraceful.